Hi, I'm Kelly, and today I will be introducing you to the new course catalog design. This catalog is primarily focused on prospective students and giving them information that will show them their possibilities at Iowa State. Unlike previous catalogs, the way this website is organized is not by college or academic unit, but by major and program. So you can search for courses based on major and program instead of having to go through that upper level college or administrative unit. This catalog does serve faculty and students, but the focus is to help prospective students find their adventure. So you can see here from the homepage that right away it's focused towards prospective students. There's a large Choose Your Adventure tab, and if you click Start Here, it takes you to that prospective student page. But first I want to make note that there is a little bit of information about the catalog, and then also more information about what Iowa State has to offer you in choices of academic study and also career placement. So if I click Start Here, then it takes me to this Choose Your Adventure page. So here there are all of the options at Iowa State, and I'm able to search for these possibilities through degrees and programs, academic focus, college and schools, and or career keys. So if I want to search for all possibilities in the College of Engineering, then I can just look at that and then see these options. Or if I want something in the College of Engineering that is conventional, then I'm able to look at those options. And then I'm also able to specify I'm looking for majors, or I'm looking for minors, or a certificate. So if I click on multiples of these, they stay clicked unless I unclick them. So if I want to first look at professional communication and then I want to look at physical sciences, then I have to uncheck professional communication. If you combine different options on the left that are not possible, then you will get this notification. So let's say I want something artistic with the environment. Then I have these options. So if I click on landscape architecture, then it gives me a short summary of what landscape architecture at Iowa State is, and then if I click on more information, then it takes me to that majors page. On this page, there will be either an overview or information about the undergraduate major, and then I can look at the curriculum and classes, different things that this major has to offer, and possible graduate study and also courses. So when you're looking at the courses page, you will get something that looks like this. Here will be information such as the course designator, which is also known as the course code, and the course title. And if you click these arrows, then you're able to see credit information and other information about the class, a short summary, and I can click on multiples of these. But if I want to look at one and then I'm done with it, then I can just click on the arrows again. Another feature of the courses page when you're looking at courses of any major is the ability to expand all courses. So it'll open up all these courses so I can read the course summary. And if I click that again, then it closes them. On the right here is the contact information for the head of the department. And this will be present on every page for every major. Also involved in this course catalog are the 4-year plans for every major. Another feature that is formatted for prospective students is this Apply Now link, and which takes me straight to the Iowa State application. And this is present on any page that I click on in the website. So up here is the primary navigation tab where you're able to look at undergraduate majors, minors, and certificates, which is alphabetically listed. And then on the right, you're able to navigate specifically majors, specifically minors, specifically certificates, etc. And these are organized in alphabetical order. You're also able to look on a 4-year plan through this method, which first it gives you an overview of 4-year graduation, and then you're able to look at 4-year plans first through a college and then by clicking on that major. So then it first takes you to curriculum and then a 4-year plan. Under the undergraduate tab, you're also able to click on undergraduate study, which takes you to colleges and curricula, which is another way to find out more information about undergraduate programs, professional degree programs, and what that means at Iowa State. And then links to majors, and on this page, the majors are organized by college. Same thing with minors and certificates. And then there's information about pre-professional study. Also, under the undergraduate tab is another way to get to the Choose Your Adventure page. Under the graduate tab, you're also able to look at PhD programs, master's programs, and certificates. I'll note that all of these links of PhD programs and the master's programs page and certificates page leads you to the Iowa State University grad website. If the graduate information is not in the course catalog, you will be taken to the graduate college website. Also under the graduate tab is a note about graduate study at Iowa State, what the grad college does and has to offer, and then there are also other links to look at, such as admission, registration, grading, nominative speakers, changes, concurrent programs, master's degrees, and Doctor of Philosophy. Now in the primary navigation, there is also a page for veterinary medicine, which is Iowa State's professional school, which has specific courses and programs for students enrolled in veterinary medicine. So there's an overview of what this program looks like with their specific curriculum, 4th year, their reinstatement. Also in the primary navigation is A to Z courses. A to Z courses is an alphabetical list of all courses offered at Iowa State. Use this tab if you are solely looking for courses. There's no need to go through the Choose Your Adventure and looking inside a major. So if I am a student wanting to look for anthropology classes, then I'll click on anthropology, and this automatically takes me to a courses page. Also in the primary navigation is a registration and policies link, which has information about registration, academics, academic conduct, progress and probation, and tuition and fees information. Also, there is an index. So this index has all information on this website, all in one place, listed in alphabetical order. So there's information from the policies, about the catalog, just different information. Everything on this website is in this index. And so there are links to majors, and then there's also links to course pages. So there's a major for agronomy, and this will take me to the major page. But then underneath this name of agronomy is agronomy with the capital letters in parentheses. That means that this is for a course page. So clicking on this agronomy with the capital letters will take me to the agronomy courses page. And the reason for that is that these capital letters refer to the course designator, also known as the course code. Instead of taking you to the major, these will take you to the course page, since those have the reference number involved in the name of them. Up at the top of the page is a secondary navigation menu, and these have internal and external links. So the internal links include the faculty list, which is published by the provost and compiles all faculty at Iowa State, the colleges and schools, and the archive link. The archive link has all of the previous course catalogs on this page in case any faculty or students feel the need to refer back to these course catalogs. The external links are the university homepage and the schedule of classes. Also, if you click on this Iowa State University courses and programs, it takes you back to the course catalog homepage. Also, at the top right corner here is a search button. Just click on this magnifying glass and you will be able to search. And this is a keyword search. So if I search the word design, then it not only gives me the College of Design and departments in design, but anything that brings up the word design. So, for example here, mechanical engineering comes up, and the reason that this comes up is because the word design is mentioned in these course explanations. The keyword search will offer to you all the links that involve the word design. So let's go to the catalog home by clicking the gray click back. And if you click on this magnifying glass on accident and you don't actually want to search anything, then just click on this white X on the left. Now that is all I have for you today. We hope you have a great experience here at Iowa State.